Pendo, you'll be able to deflect support tickets in many ways by leveraging our analytics to understand the underlying causes, our session replay tool to drill into the specifics of user frustration, and in-app messaging to guide your users to a desired result. Because our no-code, low-code solution gives us visibility into the pages your users are visiting and the features that they're engaging with, we can help you understand what your users were doing prior to clicking a help button, for example. In this path report, we can see the most popular path our users take at the top, ending on the help button. We can also see that 60% of our users who click the help button were on this dashboard page previously. This already gives us a very helpful view, perhaps indicating the need for in-app guidance and showing our users how to better navigate the dashboard page. But we can get more specific than this by drilling into our user sessions in our session replay tool. Here, we do have some suggested replays to start with our AI action, in this case, confirming exactly what we saw on the previous screen, that our dashboard tool is getting quite a bit of frustration, in this case, rage clicks. But we could add some filters on top of this, for example, indicating all sessions that contain a user clicking on the help button, and perhaps even a series of features. We want to better understand the relationship between clicking the help button and navigating from the dashboard page. We can also, on top of this, see additional frustration, whether that's in the form of a rage click, repeatedly clicking a small area in a short amount of time, or perhaps a dead click, when a user clicks on something and nothing happens. We have the evidence of the frustration in this column here, but if we delve into any of these replays, we now have a much more granular sense of what our user was doing, subject to your security configuration, as we can see on this screen here, that might have led to their frustration, in this case, leading to that support ticket creation. Finally, we can steer our users to a desired outcome by using in-app guidance. Currently, I'm on an application called Acme CRM, but we could just as easily hold that this is your application here. And maybe this consists of tooltips indicating what the different features on our page are to our users. We could also build a multi-step guide, for example, a dashboard tour indicating to our users what the major pieces of functionality are on the dashboard and potentially preventing that confusion and frustration. We also see that a lot of support tickets get created from planned and unplanned outages. So by creating a guide with Pendo to surface that information to your users, we could get ahead of the support ticket creation in the first place. With these guides and many others that you can create in Pendo, you can surface it in overlay, as I've shown you today, but we can also make this visible through the Resource Center. For example, through this guide list module, a user can navigate here when they need to learn how to do a particular workflow. Perhaps they X'd out of the guide when it appeared to them in overlay, but here they can access any guides that they're eligible to view. So for example, in how to engage with a new process, and it'll take them through that workflow without them needing to log into a third-party site or potentially submit a support ticket and bog down your team with how to do it. In short, there's many different ways that we can help you deflect your support tickets with Pendo.